Hey, Eddie Harvey here, guys, from tradewithed.com. Hey, I want to talk to you all really quickly about when to avoid Forex trading. Now, there are a few times when it is not a good time for you to get into the market, okay? Now, some of this is based on the type of strategy that you use, but just starting out, you want to avoid entering the market when the market first opens, especially coming off of it being closed, okay? I'm actually making this video. It is actually Sunday. The market is going to open back up at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I know a lot of people, especially new traders, are excited and might be ready to jump right into the market. But you want to avoid entering the market right away because you want to give the market a chance to settle. Things have been closed up. The market is opening back up, and the spreads on the pairs are going to be crazy high. Do yourself a favor, go actually look at the spreads on some of the pairs. A pair where the spread is typically low, just take like Euro USD, for example, where depending on what broker, a normal spread during, obviously conductive trading hours in times of where, it's going to be volatile, but not super volatile like when the market first opens. A spread might be, 8 or 9, even 13 or something like that, right? When the market first opens back up, that spread that's normally that low might be 64, 70 plus. So the spreads are going to be crazy high because things are trying to get settled. Everything is opening back up and the flow is getting back going. So you want to give the market a chance to just settle. And I typically, for me personally, even if I do trade on Sunday, it's typically not till later in the day. So if the market opens up at 5, I might start looking at potential trade setups at 7, 8 o'clock is when I start potentially looking to get into a trade. That's just me personally. So everyone trades differently. Avoid when there is news for a specific currency. So it's good to look at the news. A couple of sites you can look at is forexfactory.com, investing.com, and you want to check the calendar for news on a specific pair. So if there's different types of news, low news, mild news, and then where the news is low, then it might be medium, mild, or whatever, depending on what's being talked about. A specific person is speaking. They're giving numbers on employment or different things in that country's economy. And then you have high volatility news, where it's like that's during a time where it's expecting that pair to move either up or down in a out of characteristic way. So you want to avoid getting into the market during that time. So if you're trading, especially if your strategy is based around, not wanting to be involved when news happens, then you want to look at the news and say, oh, okay, from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m., I should avoid trading the US dollar or whatever it may be. Okay. So now, but some people do trade the news. And if you know how to trade the news, then when news is volatile and high, that works towards your strategy. So that's a personal preference, guys. And another time to try to avoid the Forex market, guys, is when you start looking at pairs and watching them, is avoid when there is consolidation, okay, in the market. So typically Forex, a pair moves 3 ways. It's going to be up towards a buy, down, and a sell, or you're going to have it where it's stagnant and it's going to be in consolidation. Okay, and consolidation is where it's not making a decision, it's indecisive on if it wants to go into a buy or a sell. So that's another time to avoid being in the market. So once you start looking at market structure and learning how to analyze pairs, and if you see where it's just, you see one candle is up, one candle is down, one candle is up, down, a couple go up, then a couple down, and back and forth, all of that, that's consolidation. You want to avoid being in the market during that time. All right, guys, so listen, those are 3 ways, three times you want to avoid Forex trading. I hope you all got some value out of this video. If you did, guys, do me a favor and hit the like button. And definitely, if you want to hear more from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button if you want to be notified when I drop new content. So listen, if you want to learn more about Forex trading, market structure, how you can earn while you're learning, guys, click the link below or go to tradewithed.com for more information on the platform that everything I've learned about Forex, I've learned it from, and it may or may not be for you. Go ahead and check it out and get more information, guys, and you'll be able to learn more about when to enter the market, when not, and also get access to live education and tools to help you learn and earn in the marketplace. All right, thanks for your time. I will talk to you all later. Have a great day.